And October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It is the top cancer in women, both in the developed and the developing world. More than 60% of all breast cancer deaths occur in developing countries. At least 80% of people survive breast cancer in North America. However, less than 40% survive the disease in low-income countries. And 80% of cancer cases in Africa are not diagnosed until the disease has advanced. Observers say addressing breast cancer among African women is often a challenge because many women are diagnosed at a late stage, but the disease can be treated if it's detected early. For more on the subject, we are joined in the studio by Hanan Eltayeb, a breast cancer survivor and patient navigator with the African Women's Cancer Awareness Association. Mrs. Eltayeb, welcome to the show.
Hi.
You were diagnosed 6 years ago with breast cancer. Tell us about how this happened. It was through a routine mammogram, and they found out. How was it for you as a nurse?
Yeah, I just go routine mammogram checkup every year, and I found out I have breast cancer. So, and I go do all the treatment, and I got just find it is early stage, and just go. I did all my treatment.
So luckily you were detected at an early stage. Observers say usually with women, African women, it's at a late stage. So why do you think that you were lucky enough to get that detection? Was it because you were doing that routine examination? Or did you have any kind of maybe indication that you needed to get checked? Maybe something was wrong.
Yeah, because I always hear and listen and to the news and read about the breast cancer, and I just go do the routine checkup every year. So I following that very good. So that's why I found out that I have a breast cancer. So that's why after that I have to tell all the women to just go and do the routine checkup every year. If you find it early, so you'll be okay.
So you have some chances of survival. Now tell us about the way women are receiving your message. Today you are an advocate trying to encourage them to be more aware, to take better care of themselves when it comes to breast cancer. How do they react to your message when you talk to them about that? Are they aware? Is it something they are concerned with?
Yes, I do the awareness. I work with AWCAA, African Women Cancer Awareness Association. Is a wonderful woman, Miss Ify. She's the president for the AWCAA. She helped me a lot for patient navigator first, because I start to do this with a small group of women, like a party or just wherever I go, I talk to them with my experience.
Yes.
So, and she helped me and she told me, okay, you have to do a patient navigator.
And as a patient navigator, what do you do exactly? Is it the awareness, but in a bigger scale, in a larger scale?
It's a larger scale, okay. Yeah, because I do awareness every 3 months, and we do every month mammogram free with AWCAA. So I did the training before the mammogram. So and I make like an event wherever to can reach a lot of women, and I talk to them with my experience, talk to them about the breast cancer, and they set up for the breast cancer for the mammogram.
Okay.
So I take them, I help them, I take them to do the mammogram.
And finally, what would you like to really share as a message in terms of breast cancer? You were aware, and then you found out about your own studies. But what would you like to share? A quick message to women out there.
I shared the message for all the women to do self-exam by herself, to just look to herself in the mirror, to see what's the difference in her shape of her breast.
Okay.
Yeah. If she see something different, she have to go immediately to to do the mammogram.
Okay.
And following up the checkup early,
Yes.
the mammogram every year.
Every year.
Every year.
Okay,
yeah.
Mrs. Eltayeb, thank you so much, and
Yeah.
we are glad you're here, looking beautiful and healthy.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you for joining
so much
us.
To be here. Thank you.
And that was Hanan Eltayeb. She is a breast cancer survivor and patient navigator with the African Women's Cancer Awareness Association. That's our Africa Health Network report for today. For more health news and developments, be sure to visit our website, africahealthnetwork.com. Back to you, Vincent.